Okay, Winter Love Island is back. It's going to be slightly different this year, they're saying?
Slightly different, but I think this is a good change, to be honest, and I'd be interested to get your opinion, Greg. They're basically not letting the contestants have like active social media accounts during their time in the villa now. So previously they would have had, you know, family members operating their Instagram, their TikTok account, interacting with the other contestants, you know, sharing memes, everything like that. But we've heard from family members, you know, sharing their experiences that maybe say they're going through a particular incident on the show where maybe they're not coming across in the best light, maybe public favour is against them, like their family members are at the receiving end of a lot of trolling and abuse. Yeah, absolutely. So like past contestant Faye Winter has said that it was sad that the rule has to exist, but she believes it's necessary. Obviously she was at the end of a lot of trolling on her season. And she said, for the welfare of my family and friends, absolutely, but I do think what a bloody shame because of, you know, like it's an hour-long show, Greg. Again, you know yourself. It's an hour-long show. Each person might be on for like 8 minutes at a time. Like it's. I do think it's.
Who ran
the room
yours
needs to
when
be
you
in.
went in?
My best friend who I live with, and I didn't know what was happening until the last minute. So they take your phone off, you know. I go, hold on a second, who's to do my Instagram? And they go, whoever you want. And I text my mate, here's my password and my username, and gave him away my phone. And that was it. And he did whatever he wanted with it. But I think it's to protect the family and friends. Yeah. But like, eventually they're going to get their phones back, and their trolls are going to come anyway. Yeah. So I'm just like, I think it's. I don't know. It's going to happen anyway.
And also, I think a lot of these people bank on coming out with up to 1 million followers or whatever, and that's your career kick-started. Yeah. If you've got a dormant social media account, or you're only allowed to put out official stuff from Love Island.
That is interesting, yeah.
You know what I mean?
It'll affect them.
Well, that's the other element. I think it's going to
yeah.
level the playing field in relation to people going in as a business, because everyone's on zero, like, do you know what I mean? And then you come out and then best of luck what you do after that, which I think is fairer. Okay. Some people, I'm not going to name them, but they saw it as a business opportunity and they've soared since, like, so.
Oh, go on, name them.
No, I can't. But they were prepped and ready. Yeah.
So they were prepared when they went in.
Yeah, so maybe it's stopping that unless they're just blaming it on the trolls.
Okay.
Yeah.
Welcome to TV.
Anyway, that's so interesting. Thanks so much, Fionnuala, and thanks so much.
Guys.
Appreciate that, guys.